Okay, here's our Windows 7 machine, and if we look up here, I've been trying to erase everything off the hard drive because it's going to have a lot of problems when it becomes completely filled. And it was up to 5 megabytes or 5 gigabytes left, and now it's 3.6, and it just keeps on filling up. And I'm not saving anything on this computer, and I've deleted almost everything off of that drive, and it just keeps on filling up. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on here, because this is a serious problem. The system will crash when it runs out of disk space. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on here. Okay, one thing someone suggested was to try to delete all the set points. So if we go down to the Windows thing down here, and we go to Control Panel, and here's our control panel, and we want to scroll down to System. Okay, and here's System, and we'll go to System Protection, and it'll open up a window over here. We'll click on C, that's our main hard drive, and we'll click on Configure, and this is where you can restore set points, it looks like. And here's something that says, let's go down here, delete all restore points. This includes system, settings, and previous versions of files. Okay, so someone on the internet suggested if you delete these, this might solve the disk drive filling up problem. Okay, you will not be able to undo unwanted system changes to restore to a previous version on this drive. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay. Okay. Well, let's get out of this. And we'll kill the disk manager too. Okay. And it looks like it didn't do anything. Let's go to C drive again. Computer. Oh, it's a real problem. Okay. Again, we need to free up disk space, because if we look at the C drive, look at the computer, C drive, view properties, we are just about completely filled up here. So we tried resetting or deleting the restore points, and that didn't seem to do anything. So let's we installed this really big program, and it was called Lumberyard, and we can try to uninstall that by going to Control Panel, and okay, there's something called Programs and Features, and it will kind of show you all the programs that you have installed. And this Lumberyard is a huge file. Let's scroll over. Okay, so we've selected Lumberyard here, and actually it was kind of too big to even work on this computer because it's an older computer. So let's just try uninstalling it. Okay, uninstall Lumberyard. Okay, I know it took forever to install it in the first place, so let's try doing this and see what happens. Okay, so it looks like this was finally successfully uninstalled. Okay, so let's check out our C drive again. Oh, and that cleared up all sorts of space, so that was hogging a lot of space there, so that helped us out quite a bit. Okay. Something else someone recommended on the internet, if that doesn't work. Something else that works if you're not able to delete any programs. We can go to Windows, or the drive, the C drive is where we're having a problem. That's the main drive. Go down and click on Property, and there's something called Disk Cleanup here, and that's supposed to get rid of a lot of junk on your disk drive. We can try clicking that and see if that helps out. Okay. Okay, so it's going to do some calculations, it looks like. And so maybe this will free up a little bit of memory too for us. Okay. Okay, so you can use Disk Cleanup to free up to 2.5 gigabytes of space on the Windows hard drive. Well, we don't have anything in the downloaded files. We can get rid of the temporary internet files. Let's see what else we got on here. Thumbnails. Okay. So I guess we can try to get rid of those. We click OK. Okay. Okay, there we go. And so now we're up to about 30 gigabytes. Okay. So that's cleaned up quite a bit more room on our disk. Okay. Okay, here's one other thing you might want to check out if you're trying to get rid of memory on your hard drive. You can look at the recycling bin up here. If it looks like it's filled, with garbage, you can click on that, and oh look, there's a file in there, a file that I made and deleted, a garbage file. So you can click on Empty Recycle Bin, and it will ask you, do you want to permanently delete it? Because when you delete stuff, it's not really permanently deleted, it's just kind of put in the recycling bin. You can always pull it back out later if you want to. Okay, so now that has been deleted, and if we look at the recycling bin, now it looks empty. Okay, so anyway, here's just a few things you can try if you have a Windows 7 machine. If you got the memory is almost completely filled and you want to try to free up memory. And so it looks like we've freed up quite a bit of memory, and we're not in the red zone anymore, right? We're up in the blue zone now, and so it looks like we might be set for a little while. And we did put a second hard drive on here. I showed that in a different video, so we can store a lot of junk over there, but your program file's got to be on the main hard drive. So anyway, hopefully this helps. This is Dr. Janes, and thanks for watching.